Well, hello. It's time for another Apple Month recipe. This one is a nostalgic one from my childhood. It's from the early 80s. It's a recipe that my mom put in an old church cookbook. It's called apple cake. Let's make it now. Let's grab a small bowl for some wet ingredients. We need 4 eggs cracked in that bowl, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, a box of vanilla instant pudding, and then let's mix that all together. Dry ingredients go in this big one. 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Mix that together. I chopped up 4 apples that I'm going to fold in there. The recipe calls for a cup of nuts next, but I'm adding a cup of oats. And fold that all in. And now let's mix the wet with the dry. And I'm dumping that into a prepared glass baking dish. It's a very unique consistency. Well, we're going to bake this at 325 for an hour. Here's that apple cake. Okay, looking at it, it does kind of look familiar. I'm ready to taste it. Wow. I like that. Very fall, harvesty. Loving those apples, like that vanilla and cinnamon flavor. Thanks, Mom. This is a great cake. Did you hear that the Pope has the bird flu? Yeah, he got it from one of the cardinals.